Do you want to earn money and don't want to work under any persons that you will have to do this work, you will have to do that work, you are restricted to do that work, then definitely one of the thing which can help you out is the freelancing, because freelancing is the opportunity which can provide you the flexibility. Whatever you want, you can work under any circumstances, anything, any places. So, hey everyone, I am Diwakar Mandal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about how to do the freelancing, what is freelancing and how to do the freelancing, because it is the thing which made you to live your life as per your wishes. Question arises is that what is freelancing? Because if you understand the word freelancing, then definitely you will have to go ahead. So the word freelancing can justifies that you will have to work under any person in a contract basis. What does it mean? Just for example, a business in the Mumbai wants a website for them, and I am a website developer who can provide a services to them that, hey sir, I can develop a website for you, but you will have to pay that X amount of money. I will have to do that work. This is the way how freelancing work. So how to start your freelancing journey? Because I am also a freelancer. I do a lot of stuff related to website development, marketing, and a lot of things. So whenever you go ahead, first of all, learn the skill, because in freelancing industry, you require a skill. One caution word, it is not easy as it seems from outside, because getting a first project is very tough. In anybody's freelancing journey, getting a first project is very tough. So first of all, learn any skills, either it's maybe graphic designing, video editing, animation, anything, whatever you can find that this is the skills which is for me. Learn this, try to find out the things, because whenever you find the things that this skill can help me, and through that skill I can help any person. Because what is the main thing? Freelancing basically stands for helping the other person to get their business, to get their things done. So, and whenever you learn a skill, try to build some project out of it, because whenever you build the project out of it, either it's maybe personal project or any other things for your friend, family, and any other persons. So whenever you build the personal project, it can create a source of trust to the client. Whenever you approach to the other person, they feels that you are able to do that work, because you have a credibility that if I can provide work to you, you are able to do it. So try to create a portfolio. In your portfolio, either it's maybe a Google Doc sheet or a website which shows your all the works that I am able to do that work, this work. So create a portfolio and try to approach it. And how you can approach the other person, there are a lot of things you will have to learn how to approach a person. Either you maybe go through the platform basis like Upwork, Freelancer, Tapcheap, and lots more, because these are the platforms. Either you can approach the client through the prospecting basis. What does it mean? It basically means you can approach the client through the use of LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook Messenger, Facebook groups, and lots more. Basically I use that method because it helps you to directly contact with the client, that who the person is needing the services. You can talk to learn what are their basic needs. Whenever you understand all the things, all the pain points, because as a freelancer you will have to solve the pain points of the client whom you are approaching it, because whenever you solve them, definitely, and if anybody can give amount from their bank to your bank, definitely you will have to provide some value, because in the world nothing is free, nothing is that easy. Because whenever you start approaching, whenever you start thinking that this thing is working, you will have to do it. And so start your freelancing journey now. You will have to learn a lot. Either you are choose as a career or other things, it pay you way higher than the normal job, just like 9 to 5 job. You go there and learn, but the learning curve for me, it is the learning which helps me to how to approach, how to think, how to behave, how to do the things. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you find it useful. Thank you everyone.